Ubersuggest. If you don't know about Ubersuggest, you need to, especially if you're an online marketer. I'm not related to them at all, but I really like their tool. So if you go to Ubersuggest, this is Neil Patel's tool, and it's free, unlimited use. So then you type in mama-bear.us and search it. And I'm just showing you how I got these results. So oh great, I haven't had to do this before. Select mountains. There's a mountain. There's a mountain. That's a mountain, I think. Pretty crummy picture, but okay. And it shows they've got 4 organic keywords and 0 organic traffic and 0 organic or 0 paid. It just shows they've got 0 visitors every month. So I included that in this evidence that to show this website, it's really unlikely that they've had any sales. And so that's called premature use. They're saying that it's a trademark, and that they're saying they're using this term in commerce, but they haven't actually sold anything under that name. So that's the end of the index. So I hope that helps you kind of wrap your head around what might be acceptable evidence. This is, I'm going to get this guy out of here because it's bugging me. Wow, that was loud. This is probably, it's either overkill or underkill. It's as much evidence as I could find, and I wanted to see what will they take, because we really just don't know. And it may just be that this is a loophole a mile wide that anybody can get through that wants to go trademark a term and then monopolize that part of the market. But again, you can only enforce that trademark against other online stores. So you still, even if they get this registered, it would not be ethical or right or allowable for them to turn around and then say, well, you can't have a Mama Bear shirt on Amazon. They can't do that. If they try to do that, you'll have to go to court to fight it, or maybe we can come up with a nice, my next project is to come up with a strongly worded defensive letter for cases like that of trademark overreach. So if you'd like to be notified when I get that project done, be sure and sign up on my website, morganreeshq.com. And it's not going to be this week. This project has taken about 40 hours, but it was worth it to try to get kind of a baseline checklist of what types of things might be acceptable. We won't know for another month or maybe 2 months whether any of this was even accepted, but at least it gives you a starting place. The reason I wanted to show it to you right away is that, especially for the premature use evidence, that's going to be critical to have. And you notice you always have the date on each page of when you captured that. Well, not so much on the who is, but on this site indexing. It's very helpful for them to know that as of April 1st, they only had this many pages, but just imagine, had I done that back when the thing was filed, I didn't know when they filed this back in January, but had I done the indexing back then, there'd probably not even be that many pages indexed. So that's the point of that. The premature use, you want to get on that right away. If you discover one of these International Class 035 applications and you can find evidence that they haven't even used it in commerce yet, it would be really good to collect that evidence right away. And then, of course, all the other stuff too. And I'll type this up as a checklist, but there's the lots and lots of talking for you, just for you. I think this crashed. Interesting. Did I forget to record it? Oh, well, there's the thing. Okay, bye.